Campbell. If you don't know who I am, I own Awesome Art School, which you can find at awesomeartschool.com. I have a ton of free classes as well as 4 pay classes on everything art that you could imagine, from encaustics to watercolors to acrylics to mixed media to art journaling. It's on there for you. Today I had my friend Lisa Keys over, who is an outstanding human being and artist, and I thought while I was here I would trap her for a hot tip. And because I occasionally have these play dates with different local artists, I thought every time I had one in my grasp, I would get a hot tip from them. So that's what you're gonna see today. She's gonna teach us how to side load our brushes, and I actually make her finish up my project doing her awesome technique because she is awesome at it. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, super short, straight to the point. She gets right down and dirty how to do it. If you like it at the end, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, and if you have ideas for further hot tips from other artists or myself, I would love to do this little 2-minute quick tips. I think that's a really fun idea, and we are all short of time. So pop them in the comment section below, and I would love to see your ideas. And I'll be sure to get one done every week, and I'll do it in addition to my regular weekly posted videos. Yeah, and feel free to share in your Facebook groups or what have you if you think other people would benefit from learning little quick hot tips every week. And don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell to get the notifications every time they come out. Okay, guys? All right, thanks. Bye. Okay, Lisa is here today. We're working, and she's going to show me a technique that she does in all of her paintings. And here she is. And there's Lisa Keys. Hi! She's the bomb. This is her work, which is amazing. There's our gross snack. Sorry.
Our yummy treats.
All right. You're not supposed to see this project yet, so I'm going to keep.
Oh, and of course my water.
So you just show. Oh, nuts. It's okay.
Water.
Yeah. All right. So she has this shadow technique.
And I just dip the little tip into the water, and then I dip it into the dark brown and a little black.
Oh, so you did water first.
Water
Is it
first.
drenched wet, or do you brush off some of the wetness?
I touch it down.
You touch
here
it, okay.
For a little bit.
So I bet you your napkin's peckered with dots by the end of your project.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So you go dab in water, dab in one color, and then dab in the darker color. Wait, and then what was that rubbing action you got going on there for?
Blending it out.
Okay.
Blending it.
And you have more on the tip than there's none on the end,
Yes,
right?
It fades right out.
All right, that's super important. We got to show that. Okay. Okay.
And then when you put it down.
Oh, yeah. It's a little bit magic. Oh, crap. Wait. I got to videotape it, too, because it's very important.
Let's get that
From overhead. All right, and then it...
just fades
Oh, yeah,
right
you're
out.
not supposed to see her. Don't look. Okay. All right, so wait, do that again. I was looking at my other camera. Touchy.
Just a little
Touchy
tip.
again. Why the black and the brown? And do you have that Floetrol jelly stuff on in your black?
I don't.
Okay.
Then you just drop in a little shadow.
Okay. Oh, I haven't put my glass on. It's so magical. And little goes a long way.
Yes. It's just a very thin glaze.
Yeah, that's cool.
And it does just set her back.
Yeah, it really does. Okay, love it. Thanks, Lisa. You're the best. Bye. Grossest and the cutest all